I'm Sandra Dorney. I'm the Managing Director of Specialised Property Solutions. We have 45 employees in the business. We've been trading for around 22 years. We provide industrial, commercial cleaning services through all sorts of different businesses, but mainly focusing in the mining industry.
Specialised Property Solutions employees are treated the same as Glencore United Wombo employees. They provide excellent services to the site. They are local people who know mining, they know coal, they know our site. I give Sandra a call and say, can you help us out with this? It's always no problem. They provide an excellent service to United Wombo.
Our relationship with Glencore has been going for around 19 years. We've got to work with some wonderful teams. We've learnt and been able to develop and grow in a very supported environment.